In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore a deleted page in Notion. Let's get started. There are pages that whenever you actually move them to trash, there won't be a specific warning. For example, if I do delete on this page in here, like move it to trash, it will actually say or ask if I'm sure about deleting this specific page. But let's say I added a new page and within that page I accidentally move it to trash, there wouldn't be a specific option to ask if I want to delete it. Then I want to actually restore it. There are two ways to restore. Let's say I accidentally deleted a page in here. You will see that at the very bottom bar, you will have an option to undo. Now, let's say you didn't see the option to undo and you want to restore that page as a whole. And to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side on the navigation panel, and then you want to scroll to the very bottom until you see trash. Now, within trash, these are actually where deleted pages go through. You want to go to trash and you will see all of the databases or all of the pages that you deleted within the past 30 days. Now, what you want to do to restore them is simply click on one of the page in here. Let's say I want to bring back tasks. Just simply click on that, and then at the top bar, you want to click on Restore Page. Once that's done, as you can see, the task page itself has been restored. And that's about it. That's how to restore deleted page in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.